to the ship. Welcome.
Great time on the ship.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Go for it. It's just like rooms are not available.
Alright guys, so for the first bit, just hold on to the railings as there is going to be a slight drop. After that, I promise a smooth ride. Anybody afraid of heights?
Yeah,
It's a little bit too late now, yeah?
This is not very high though, at 300 feet.
Yeah, 100 meters.
Slight drop.
Slight drop, it's fine.
And Vancouver, this is our city.
现在已经上升了。
You guys from Vancouver?
Yeah,
Yeah, locals.
this is our local cruise, we do it all the time.
You've been on ovation lately.
Oh, we should.
Do you have any food allergies? Everything all good?
So like this. There you go.
Yes, here we go.
Okay, everyone here, may I put some water for you? Yeah, it's okay. Take a little while.
Okay.
Yes, something look like chemistry, something look like ice cream, something look like a garden, snacks or chips. And this is the most special fries in our Wonderland.
And that's that right here.
Yes, then we drop some cocoa powder on the top. All of them, they're gonna taste a little bit smoky, but it's
Okay.
fine, they are not from secrets, okay? Then we go to the one look like ice cream. This is not ice cream, this is our crisp ice press. First time press, we remove the extra regular water from inside, which doesn't have flavor yet. Second press is the water in front of us, clear and more tomato flavor, more like tomato juice. Inside on the top, we serve them with a bread cream form and slice of fried basil. So for this one, we're gonna drink in one shot, like tequila. We are men here, so we finish them once, okay?
There you go.
The foam is really big, so we can eat the foam first, then you drink the water, let them go down together. Sesame seed, chili powder, and cocoa powder. Then we drop some truffle oil on the top, feeling like this is real dirt we just get from outside today. And in the corner in front of us, there's the brown color. One more on the other side. Be very careful, they are still alive. So when you saw them running around, don't get scared, don't run away from here. Calm down, just eat it. They are made of chicken liver mousse, covered by a little bit cocoa powder. And now we're gonna have a ring over here. Cut them smaller, easy for us to enjoy, and also do a little bit blanch to make them softer and sweeter. And also when we try everything from the garden, please try together with the snow or also with the dirt. You're gonna feel more and the full flavor.
Yep. Let me bring it to over. There we go.
Element of sea. Lobster tail and tomato wrapped together with a little bit beef marrow and a little bit milk inside.
Okay.
Then we do the blanch to them. When they two cut the hot dog, this one, the brown one. Caesar is sharp enough, okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the bird nest. The bird nest set meat with boiled egg.
Wow.
You smell it?
Yeah. That looks good.
Something of fish. Fish is hiding.
Austin did all right. Oh, you did good, Austin. Nice.
This fish we served with ginger tamarind sauce.
This got a little too.
Together with the mushroom stock. So a lot of mushroom already.
Right.
Made the mushroom flavor is strong enough for you. They are made of sweet peach glaze. Inside, normal Mario is Luigi's inside. Green color over there, pistachio mousse. Then at the center, we're having a little bit mixed nuts with white chocolate. We're using them as a glue to help the top and bottom stand together.
Yeah.
All the white color, including top small one, big bottom one, they're all made of strawberry hard meringue. The soil is red velvet cake powder with chocolate sponge. Mango sorbet serving on the side, so this is sorbet ice cream, sorbet. My favorite sorbet on board. Together with a few berries dropping on the bottom. But be very careful to these two little mushrooms, they are very dangerous. Here is the dream world. In the real world, there is a mushroom with poison. Here, first of all, we are a restaurant, we cannot serve that one. Otherwise, we have to call medical team come here straight. So we serve some spicy mushrooms. The pink color is ginger chili flavor. Not very strong, just a little bit heat. Anyway, if you buy it.